In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Pepperstone. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your secure client area on secure.pepperstone.com, and then you can go to platforms over here, and you can either go to their web trader, to MT5, MT4, C trader, or you can just go ahead and watch spreads in real time with their Pepperstone spread indicator. So it's up to you what you want to do. I have tutorials on all these on my channel, so you can go watch them, or you can just start with their web trader, which I do think is the quickest to set up. So just click on here or launch web trader top left, and after that it's going to take you to their web trader. In here, to go ahead and start trading, you can see this is pretty simple to understand over here. So you have your workspace where you can basically see different symbols. Here you have your chart. So for example, here I have Euro USD selected, and I can go ahead and just do some chart analysis. I can basically zoom in, etc. So you can also make this a bit smaller if you want to, or a bit bigger. You can put it full screen like this. So it's up to you. And then here you can just go ahead and select how much you would like to actually go ahead and sell or buy, and then after that you can just click on buy or sell, and that's pretty much how we can go ahead and start trading on Pepperstone. Okay, so if I buy this, for example, over here, and I send the order in, as you can see, it's been placed down here at the bottom. Now that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.